Can you believe we're talking about fall trends? Especially because I just had a baby yesterday in spring. Now it's gonna be fall? That doesn't make any sense. Before we get into this video though, I wanted to say thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring. First trend, I'm literally wearing it. Bold colored pants, specifically for this like minimalist color blocking. This is such an easy thing to do that you probably already have in your closet, and especially if you do get like one pair of bold pants, there's so many different ways to wear them, which is again my favorite with trends, being able to wear them so many different ways. It's like color blocking has been so in for a while now. If you guys have an Indyx account, INDYX, I do personal styling on there, and I am always talking about color blocking because it is such a slept on styling technique that doesn't have to be this crazy bold. Even right now wearing red and white, it's technically color blocking even though one of them is like such a neutral. But pairing these red pants with a green shirt with a navy blue sweater in the fall, like denim on top, like there's so many ways to do it. Still technically color blocking. I always tell people wearing a black bottom and a white top, like technically you're color blocking, or vice versa. It doesn't have to be the boldest colors, but I do think the bolder pants are going to be more in style, or just like one color. And if you wore like a blue pant, it would have to be more of like a cotton or even like a sweatpant, athletic type of material would work. These ones are from Gap. They're technically pajama pants. I'll have them linked on my shop mine, but I wear them day to day and they're so cute. They come with a matching top, but I love that you can style them again so many different ways. So this minimalist color blocking, we saw it a bit in, and I think it's just going to transition right into fall, which again, some of my favorite kind of trends. Next thing are structured ponchos. I was on the hunt for one of these last year because I was really excited about it for breastfeeding, but the one I got was a little bit too small on me. But having a turtleneck and it's kind of like straight hem at the bottom, I think they're going to be really in style. I feel like a 2000s style poncho, and the ponchos we're seeing right now are more of like the asymmetrical hem flung to the side, a lot more boho, and those feel very summer. But for the fall, I think we're just going to be seeing a more structured, fitted, cute, so easy to style as well. I'm definitely looking for one, and I found so many on Poshmark, Depop, all that kind of stuff. Next thing are cuffed pants, and I don't mean a cuff like that you fold your jean over, because I have already talked about that because I think that's trending. But what I mean is like a cinched bottom pant. And it's so funny when I watch short form content, and especially girls who are a bit younger than me or the same age as me, honestly, they talk about how much they despise a cuff sweatpant, like an almost jogger-esque sweatpant. And I've talked about before, like that's my favorite style of sweatpant. I only wear a cuff sweatpant. I do not like a straight leg sweatpant because I don't like that it goes under my shoe and it gets all dirty. Like if I'm wearing my sweatpant out and be cozy in the house and not be like the bottom of my pants are nasty, I can't like sit and go anywhere. Okay, besides the point. I think cuff pants are going to be a lot more in. You can do this in a very exaggerated way, like almost parachute balloon style pant. I actually just saw an ad for this. A lot of influencers got sent this like Free People, I think it's called like the party pant or fun pant or something. And it's a very exaggerated version of this style. And when I saw it, I was like, okay, that's definitely going to be trending. But you can also do it in a little bit more of a toned down way, which is what I prefer. Not so wide, not so balloon, not so barrel style. It's more of just like a straight pant with a cuff at the bottom. Think the Peachy Den. They're called like the Mimi pants. And then I have two new pairs I recently got from Cotton On because my pants aren't fitting yet. So all my pants right now are new. Like these Gap ones are new, and then my cuffed pants are new because I don't fit in my old pants. They're so cute. Like with a ballet flat, I think it's so cute. With flip-flops when it's still warm outside. With a sneaker is always good, obviously. Yeah, so many ways to wear the cuffed pant. And you can have it in more of like a cotton material. You could have it more like a swishy windbreaker. You could have it in like a true sweatpant, so many styles depending on you want, printed, bold, whatever. Thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Squarespace is an all-in-one website platform designed to help you stand out and succeed online. Whether you're just starting out or scaling your business, Squarespace gives you everything you need to claim your domain, showcase your offerings with a professional website, grow your brand, and get paid all in one place. You guys know I've used my Squarespace website for so many things, starting in college, for my resume, all the way to an online store selling merchandise to you guys. Whether you sell services, products, or both, Squarespace has everything you need. You can create a beautifully designed website or online store that showcases your brand and engages customers. With easy online payments and built-in tools for inventory, shipping, and fulfillment, you can simplify your workflow and give customers a seamless shopping experience. There's also global shipping options to automatically calculate your shipping costs using real-time rates from local carriers based on the destination, size, and weight of each order. It eliminates manual calculation and avoids over or undercharging for shipping. Go to squarespace.com/LaineyOzark for your free trial, and when you're ready to launch, use code LaineyOzark for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. My dad uses Squarespace, my brother uses Squarespace, I use Squarespace, Brandon uses Squarespace. Everyone in my life uses it, and you should definitely check it out. Next thing is, again, something that's just transitioning from the summertime, and that's a bandana. Bandanas in the summer are always like, you know, come around, can be worn, but I think we're going to be seeing them so much more in the fall time because everybody's loving the bandana so much. I have literally like two that I wear in rotation all the time, a green and a red one, and it feels like they go with everything. I am thinking about getting either like a pink or a yellow to add into the collection because I think that could be fun to have like just a bit more of a brighter, but it's even fun when like it doesn't really match your outfit and you just wear it, and that's how it normally goes for me. The days that it's too hot and I don't want to wear my bangs down, I'll just put the bandana on and like pull my hair back, and even if it doesn't match the dress I'm wearing or the clothes I'm wearing, it like almost works better that way. I swear sometimes having less makes you more fashionable because when things don't match, I think it's more fashionable and lived in and cool and effortless. So many ways to wear the bandana. Also, you can, you know, have it a little bit down farther on your forehead so none of your hairline showing. You can pull it back a little bit, wear it with your hair down, and piggies hair up. Next thing are so random, but I really have an inkling that we're going to be seeing them a ton, is a polo, a short sleeve polo, and more of a fitted one, honestly, but just like in a very traditional way with jeans and loafers. It's that like preppy style that has been trending for a little bit, and again, that like set, like very normal clothes, normal styling, normal wear. I think if I were to get one of these, I would definitely thrift it because I feel like it'd be so easy to thrift, and like a fun color with stripes. I've definitely worn like collared shirts the past couple years, a lot of years, but more of like a long sleeve, like when the rugby shirt was really trending, and I still love the rugby shirt and I wear mine all the time from Cotton, KOTN, but a short sleeve version. I think it's so cute for the fall time. Do boys wear this? I don't know. My boyfriend Brandon literally only wears like t-shirt and sweatpants, so I never know what like guys actually wear. I don't know if guys wear short sleeve polos. Sound off in the comments below if you're a man and you wear short sleeve polos. Next, and the last trend, long fringe. I feel like I talked about this before, but almost every single fall fringe is trending, and I still think we're seeing like suede fringe, leather fringe, bags, on jackets, on basically anything, but we're seeing so much more of like this style of fringe where it's like almost string and absurdly long, especially if it's on a bag. The longer the better. I think it is so cute. I don't know, maybe I think for the summertime maybe we're seeing it on more like dresses and shirts and stuff, but definitely for the fall on a bag. And just like a statement bag is so in right now, like a silly cutesy with like a very minimalist outfit, I feel like is a big trend of what we've been seeing. And maybe even like a fun shoe, like a pop of color shoe, fun stuff. I know we always talk about trends like moving so quickly, but a lot of times when I come around to do these videos, stuff that's trending has been trending for a few years, and I just don't repeat it because I don't want to say the same thing over and over again and talk about the same thing over and over again. But like I could name 100 that I named 5 years ago and are still trending right now, if that makes sense. If you guys want to see a video of that where I talk about past trends and just show how they're still here, I don't know, it might like make us feel better about fashion and like how everyone says it moves too quickly. It moves quickly online and it moves quickly for influencers, but for real life people and even like fashion houses, I swear it's like not as crazy. That's it for my fall trends this year. Let me know what you think will be trending this fall. I'm very excited for fall fashion. Thank you again to Squarespace for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in a few days. I love you the absolute most. Bye.